Hey everyone, welcome back to Bald Prairie Real Estate and another 2-Minute Tuesday. Today we are talking about the Canadian Home Price Index. What is it? How is it calculated? Let's put 2 minutes on the timer and teach you all about it. Home Price Index, sometimes referred to as benchmark price or the HPI, is a pricing model used to track price fluctuations in the Canadian real estate market. It's what I use in my Canadian real estate market updates because I think it's a more accurate representation of price changes in the Canadian real estate market. Often in the news, you'll hear average price in Toronto was $900,000, or the average price of a home in Vancouver dropped by 2% this month. The problem when you're reporting average prices is that if you have a large number of higher or lower value properties that sell in that given month, it's going to skew that price. So the home price index model was developed to better and more accurately represent changes in the Canadian real estate market. So what they did, this is the Canadian Association of Realtors that created this benchmark price, is they took about 20 years worth of data from the Canadian real estate market and fed it into a sophisticated computer algorithm, and they created essentially a model home for all different types of properties. So you can get benchmark price for single family homes that are single story, 2-story, townhouses, condos like apartment style condos, and you can get composite, which incorporates all of those property types in. And what they tried to do was create a benchmark home that represents the average home for that property type, and then track price fluctuations based on sales data for each month, how much those properties went up or down in value. That way, if you have a bunch of higher price homes for sale that sell that month, it's not going to drag the average price up because we're tracking price fluctuation, not just total sales value. There, I think it's a more accurate representation of the Canadian real estate market and price changes, and that's why I use the benchmark price in all my Canadian real estate market updates. Hey everyone, thanks for watching another 2-Minute Tuesday. You want to check another one of these out? Right here, another 2-Minute Tuesday video coming up just for you. What about the Canadian market? Where is it at right now? Well, my most recent Canadian real estate market update right there. You can check that out. As always, thanks for watching, guys.